In this video I just want to show you this Majority Oakington digital radio and music system that we've just bought off the internet because there wasn't one local that I wanted. I do try to shop local, but unfortunately sometimes you can't get what you want. Anyway, it's a digital audio broadcast plus radio, CD player, Bluetooth, MP3. It's got a USB port in it. I'll show you the side, nothing on the side. Let's turn it down, show you the back. And that's what it looks like. Now I've unboxed it and I've connected it. So I'll show you downstairs where I've put it. So this is what it looks like fixed up. It's got a beautiful sound to it and it's remote controlled as well. So you can see on there the remote controller. You've got at the top CD, USB, DAB radio there, and Bluetooth. That's what the BT stands for. And you can press the user then up or down for increasing or decreasing the bass and treble, and various other features that you can use. Now there's the instruction manual. I'm not going to turn it around, as you can see I've wired it up there, but it tells you all about this navigation thing on the top. Basically just does the volume, and on the back it looks like that. So you've got these inputs and it tells you what they are. It's got an earphone jack. You can switch it off at the back. USB input, auxiliary audio input, etc. And there's all the instructions for the remote controller. And then how to get it going. It's actually pretty straightforward, even connecting the Bluetooth. And even on the front here you've got buttons like the power, etc. Here you've got fast forward, rewind, play, pause. I can't just see what that one is, I can't remember. So the CDs go in there, switch on there, or you can switch it on via the remote control. Everything works via this remote controller, but I also like to use it on the unit itself just in case I ever lose this or it breaks. I've got a CD, so if I change the mode, I'm going to change the mode to, that's digital audio broadcast, FM, USB, Bluetooth, audio, CD, etc. And then to power off, you can press it there or press it here. And when you're listening to a CD, when you put it back on, if I press stop on here on the remote when the CD's playing, and then I press power off, when I come back and I put it back on, the CD plays where you left it off, which is pretty impressive. Now on the top there you've got this plus and minus, all it does. So if I move it around there you'll see the volume change when it's switched on, that is. So anyway, got an aerial at the back here that you'll need to put up for connecting to the digital audio broadcast, the DAB radio. Yeah, it's a very nice unit. It might be a little bit retro, it's quite big, it was bigger than I expected, but the sound is really what I wanted. It only cost me £100 on the internet, so I'm quite pleased with that. It's only for the kitchen, so it's great. Anyway, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, look out for my next video. Let's show you on the front there, you've got the time, you can change all the dates and month and everything. So ejecting the CD there, that button, or you can eject it on here as well, top right there. So thank you for watching, bye bye.